Okay, today I'll be showing you how to turn in your homework to Canvas. After you finish your homework on your iPad, you need to turn it in. I'm going to show you the steps to submit your assignment to Canvas. Okay, so you want to click the arrow that's pointing up with the square and click Send to Application. And make sure you have all pages and it has to be a PDF, and click Send. And click Copy to Canvas. And it's going to say File Received. And go to Math. And go to Modules. And go to what week that homework was in. And go to Submission. And click Turn In. And scroll to the right. And you'll see your homework. And click Submit. And there y'all go.